Hi, I'm Leo, a sixth former at Bungay High Sixth Form. Do you want to come in and have a browse around? Come with me. So these are the sixth form first set of toilets. We have two sets. Over here we have the current head students, deputy prefects, netball captains and football captains.
Hello, I'm Edgar and I'm a head student here at Bungay High Sixth Form. I study history, geography and politics here at sixth form, and in the future I hope to go to university to study history. Moving on from year 11 and studying here at sixth form can be a jump up and a readjustment. However, there are many new opportunities like sports teams and societies you can get involved in. In addition, at sixth form you will be able to have this shared common area and space.
So this is Megi. She's going to be telling you a bit about her sixth form journey so far. So currently, what are you studying at Bungay Sixth Form?
I do biology, physics and art.
Okay, so with these three lessons, where do you plan to go next?
I want to go to uni and study architecture.
Okay, architecture. Now, what is your experience like so far at Bungay Sixth Form?
It's definitely a step up from GCSEs. Obviously, you've got to put a lot more hard work to succeed, and definitely I would say use your free periods more effectively.
So, we're about to enter the larger common room and we're going to see who's inside the kitchen. So, come with me. Through here. And here is the lovely sixth form kitchen. Here we have Harvey.
It's Harley.
Harley, right, yeah. So, he's making a cup of tea now.
Hello Harvey, tell us about yourself.
I'm Harley Harrison. I study politics, history and philosophy and ethics here at Bungay Sixth Form, and I'm hoping to go on to do history and politics at university level. One of my favourite things about the sixth form is the increased sense of community. You really get to feel like you know everyone in the sixth form, and I really especially like how everyone steals your milk. And she is the only person
Who put my calculator in ice again? Hi, I'm Leo, current prefect here at Bungay Sixth Form, former host of Bungay's Got Talent, and current leader of the Environmental Society. Here at Bungay Sixth Form, one of the main differences, other than the increasing knowledge within the lessons and feeling kind of different within your relationships with the teachers, the social aspect to sixth form is very different. You see, in high school you're just friends, but in here, especially in the common room, you get to work more closely with other students within work, and because the classes are smaller, you feel much more connected with everyone and you feel like you get more help within the sixth form. One of the main things that relates to, the social life is the societies. Here we also have the Charity Society, which helps to create different charity events within the sixth form. Me being the leader of the Environmental Society, we do lots of work to do with the environment and the greater high school and sixth form life. Also, I'm the best prefect. Okay, now that you've seen the sixth form kitchen, we're going to walk through the larger common room area. So, as you can see here, this is the lovely area where we like to do our work and things. Here we have the ping pong table and more tables there to work on. And this is the other door to the larger section of the common room, as you can see, sixth form area. And over here we have our second set of sixth form exclusive toilets. Here's the sixth form boys' toilets. Here's the girls. And now we're going to head up to the sixth form art room. The sixth form art room, which is exclusive to sixth form photography and art students. So, if you come around me, here it is, the sixth form art room. Let's see who's inside.
Hello, my name's Lily Turner and I do art photography and English literature. This is the art studio space where we get to hang up all our work and talk to other students and just communicate with each other and understand where we're going with our projects. And it's been really great having this space because I can just sit in the quiet and get on with it, because sometimes the common room can be very busy, and also my teacher's just across the corridor and it's been very great. and I'm currently wanting to do illustration at university, and I think that having both these subjects will help me go into the creative industries I want to go into.
And this is one of our exclusive sixth form study facility areas. Why don't you come in with me? We're about to enter the sixth form library. Here we go. So I hope you enjoyed watching that video there, and I hope you'll be coming up to Bungay Sixth Form right after your adventure at Bungay High School. I'm going to go now.